everyone, it's Millie Mary. I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to do Poppy from Trolls as a Halloween makeup look. And right now I'm starting off by just spraying my hair pink. I got this pink hairspray, but since my hair is so black, not black but like almost black, it's like barely showing up. I already went through one bottle and this is what it's looking like, so I'm gonna do another bottle, and whatever, you know, that does is what's gonna go. Okay, this is as pink as it's gonna get. I try to get as close as I can to like my forehead right here, but I think I'm just gonna use the paint. See how that works out, I'm not sure. But the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to face paint my whole face first. For the face paint, I'm going to be using this Nazaroo face paint. I'm also going to do my ear. My ears are already pointy, so I'm not really going to do nothing with that. I didn't read the warning. It says avoid contact with eyes and lips.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone.
I went out of my way for this Halloween makeup tutorial to buy the Take Me Back to Brazil palette just for this tutorial. That's why I bought it. But it is gorgeous. Look at this. So I'm gonna be using these pinks today. I feel like I probably maybe should have done the glue thing where you like cover them up, you know, like you put glue and then you put powder, and then I would put the paint so that it kind of looks like I don't have a brown anymore. That way I can draw it over with the hot pink. So if you're watching this, do that, because maybe they would come out looking better than this.
So phenomenally, on like the way we rock it, so don't stop.
I grabbed some of the face paint and I'm gonna use it to clean up the brows.
You like all pink. I like green. That one.
You like that one?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Why is it your favorite? Because why?
Because I like it.
Why do you like it? Because why?
Because.
Time for eyeshadow. So this brush is really black, but you know what? I don't have time to clean my brushes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the color I got for my brows. I'm going to get these two, and I'm going to put it on my crease and just basically all over my lid.
This one, right?
I want to like really pack it. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, this is not working because my brushes are dirty. Now I'm gonna grab a flat brush and I'm going to use, yeah, a flat brush. That same pink all over my lid. So I have this pink glitter. It's called Double Bubble from EK.
I'm like that.
Oh, Eye Candy.
Candy?
It's called Eye Candy, this glitter right here.
I candy.
And it's just a pink, like a rosy pink. Okay, so to glue it, I'm gonna use this Too Faced glitter glue. I just got it for this video. Okay, so my camera died right when I was gonna put on my glitters, so I did one eye. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So, like I said, I'm gonna use the glue. Now, the lashes that I'm gonna be using are the Diva lashes from the Coco Lash. Well,
It's like
the Coco lashes that are in Diva, the name Diva.
I know.
They look like that.
I know.
I'm going to get this pink right here, and also maybe like the purple, because her nose is darker than her face, so that's what I'm gonna do next.
Don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone.
Oh my god, my nose is gonna look so fat. Oh god, I can't even. Okay, we're getting some. Oh my god, I can't even.
Now we're gonna go for the.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the dark purple to kind of contour. I don't want my nose to look so fat.
Cause I got sunshine in my pocket, got that red soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body, it drops. Ooh, can't take.
I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. This is the, which one is this one? The Bling Boss one. Bling Boss, yeah. And this is in the shade Rockstar.
My eyes are open, been so phenomenally. On like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Can't take my eyes are open, been so phenomenally. On like the way we rock it, so don't stop.
I'm gonna grab this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm gonna give myself white freckles because she has white freckles. I'm gonna grab this Kylie lipstick. This is in the shade Ginger, and this is definitely not pink, but I'm just gonna line my lips and then I'm gonna go over it with the lighter lipstick.
Not pink.
Now I'm gonna use this NYX Lingerie in the shade Lace Detail. Oh! Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you if you want to be poppy for Halloween. And if you did enjoy it, give it a like, comment something below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, I feel that hot.